Hello children. So in the last video we studied test 1. Okay, we studied test 1. We did first exercise, that is A exercise, and we did the B exercise, that is picking the adjective. This one you can see here. This one we did, and today we completed this exercise, and today we will do C exercise. Okay, so you all open page number 46. Now C1, pick out the nouns and adjectives from the list given below and fill in the columns. Okay, so children, now by now you must have understood what is the difference between noun, adjectives. Noun is the name of the person, place or thing. It can be the special name given to the particular person, place or thing, that is proper noun, or it can be general name given to any person, place or thing, that can be common noun. Okay, and adjective, the words that describes the noun are called adjectives. Okay, so describing words are adjectives. So we will, here's in the table given below, some words are given. Okay, so we have to pick out, or we can say we have to differentiate what are the nouns here and what are the adjectives here. So let's see and try to differentiate. First word given is a cupboard. Okay, so children, cupboard is a name of a thing, we can say. No, it's a name of a thing. So cupboard, and we know that the name of a thing is what? It is a noun. So cupboard will come in the noun block. Here I will show you like this. See, cupboard. Okay, now next is deep. Deep means what? Deep can be the deep hole. Okay, so you can say deep is not a name of person, deep is not the name of a place, deep is not the name of a thing. So what it is describing something. Deep hole, if I say. So deep is describing the noun hole. So deep is a describing word, isn't it? So deep will come in the adjective column. Okay, deep is a adjective. Next is piano. Piano is the name of a thing, right? It is a musical instrument, name of a musical instrument. So it is a naming word. So piano will be in the noun column. Now wealthy. Wealthy means, children, rich. Okay, if I say he is a wealthy man. Okay, so wealthy is describing the noun man. Wealthy is not a name of a person. It's not a name given to any person, place or thing. Wealthy is a describing word. So wealthy will come in the adjective column. So I hope you are understanding how to differentiate between noun and adjective. Now heavy. If I say there is a heavy bag, it is a heavy bag. Which kind of bag? Heavy bag. So heavy is describing the noun bag. It is not the name of any person, place or thing. So heavy will come in what? Adjective. Brother. Brother is a name given to a person. Okay, brother is a person, right? So brother will come in the noun column. You can see here, brother. Horse. Horse is the name of the animal. It is, if I say horse, means what? Animal, name given to animal. So horse will be in the noun column. Okay, you can see I have written horse here. Thin. Thin means, if I say this is a thin book. Okay, so which kind of book? Thin book. So this word thin is describing the noun book. Thin is not a name of any person, place or thing. Okay, so it is a describing, it is a describing word. Okay, so thin will come in the adjective column. Now shiny. Shiny, again, if I say the sky is shiny today. Okay, so shiny is again describing the noun sky. So shiny will come in the adjective column. Sharp. Again, this is a sharp knife. Which kind of knife? Sharp knife. So sharp is describing the noun knife. So sharp will be what? Adjective. Angry. He is an angry man. Which kind of man? Angry man. So this word angry is describing the noun man. So angry is the describing word, hence it will come in the adjective column. Now book. Book is a name of a thing. It's a naming word, right? It is not describing anything. So book is a naming word, so it is a noun. Cottage. Cottage means the small houses are called cottage, okay? So cottage is a name of a small house. So cottage will be in the noun column. Train. Again, train, we can say it's a name of a thing, okay? This is not, train is not describing any. If I say fast train, then fast is describing the noun train, but train is not describing anything. So train is a naming word. So train will come in the noun section, okay? Now girl. Girl is a name of a person, so girl is a noun. Pretty. If I say pretty girl, so pretty is describing the noun girl. So pretty is a describing word, hence it will come in the adjective column, okay? So I hope you have understood. So let's see in adjective what are the words. Deep, wealthy, heavy, thin, shiny, sharp, angry, pretty. These are all adjectives. These are describing words. And nouns, cupboard, piano, brother, book, cottage, train, girl, horse. These are all nouns because they are naming words. Now let's do the next exercise. D1. Underline the verbs in the following sentences. Mention whether they are in the past or present tense. Now let's see the first sentence. The policeman chased the thief. Now first you know what is verb. Children, the doing, if you remember, doing words are called verbs, okay? The words that show action, they are called verbs, okay? Now present tense and past tense. You remember what is a tense? The tense of a verb shows the time when an action is or was done, okay? This tense shows the time. Now they can be present tense. Present tense means the action which is going on at the moment of speaking, you can say. Or past tense, the action which has already taken place, that is past tense. So in these sentences, first we will pick out the verbs, means the words which are showing action. After that we will say that whether it is present tense or past tense. The policeman chased the thief. Now chased is the action going on here, okay? So chased is the verb, and because ed is added, you remember how to convert it? Okay, I will just remind you once. Present tense, to show the verb is in present tense, how do we know? We use either the verb as it is, or we add s or es to it, okay? And if the word is ending with y, then what do? We just remove the y and we add ies to it. And for past tense, we generally usually we add ed to the word, and sometimes the last letter of the verb is doubled, okay? Like if I say clap, then it becomes CLAPPED, okay? So like this we change into past tense. So let's see here, chased. So ed is there. Ed means what? It is past tense. So chased is past tense. Geeta folds her clothes neatly and puts them in the cupboard. Now folds is the action and puts is the action showing here. So fold, s is here, and puts also, s is here. So both are is in present tense. Folds and puts. My mother makes delicious dosas. So makes is an action here and s is here. So it is in the present tense. Makes is the verb which is in the present tense. Varun waited near the gate for his uncle. Waited is the action here and ed is there, okay? So it means it is the past tense. So you will underline waited and you can write past tense. You can write like this as I've written here, chased, past, or you can write waited, dash, past, as you feel like doing, you can do. Zain switched on the television for the news. What is action here? Switch, switched, switching is the action, and ed is added here, so it is in the past tense. Let's go on the next page. Nina filled the kettle with water. Now action is filled, okay? Ed is there, so verb is filled and ed is added to the verb, so it is in the past tense. Leo fed the little rabbit every day. So fed means giving, you can say, okay, giving something to eat. So fed is the past tense. Feed is F-E-E-D. Feed is present tense and F-E-D, fed, is the past tense of feed. So it is the past tense. Okay, children? Pick out the common, next one, E1. Pick out the common nouns and write them in the correct column to show whether they refer to one or many. Now here you have to pick out the common nouns. Remember, not proper, only common noun. That is a general name given to any person, place or thing. That is common noun. And then you have to tell whether it is one, that is singular, or many, that is plural. So let's see. The gardener planted the seedlings in the bed he had made. So common nouns are gardener, can be any gardener, seedlings, any seedlings, bed, any bed. So these are all common nouns. Okay, now let's see whether they are one. See, there two columns are given. One is of one and the other is of many. Okay, now gardener, one is gardener, many gardeners. So here only gardener is given. So we will write in the one column. Okay. Seedlings, as you can see, S is added. So S we added to make it many, plural. So seedlings will come in many. Bed, beds. So bed is one in singular. So we will write bed here. Second, the cows grazed in the field. Now grazed is the verb. Okay, action is verb, going is grazed. So leave it. Cows, we know it is a common noun. Field, can be any field, is the name of a place, you can say. So it is a common noun. So cows, cow, one cow, many cows. So it is in the many column. And field, one field, many fields. So it is one. So it will come in the one column. The days was sunny this week. Now days, common noun, and because days is given, so it will come in the many column. One is day and many days. Week. Now 1 week, many weeks. Okay, so week is a common noun, and because week is only given, not weeks, so we will write in one column. Rohan put his books and pencils in his bag. Now books and pencils, both are in, see S is given, both are in plural, so both will come in the many column. Books, pencils. And bag, only one bag, many bags. One bag, bag will come here. So in one column, gardener, field, bag, bed, week. And in many column, seedlings, days, pencils, cows, books. Okay. Next one is, fill in the blanks with am, is, are, was, were. So these are the helping words, children, that we have studied. Okay. So in present tense we use am, is, are, and in past tense we use was, were. Okay. And in present tense for singular case we use am, is, and for plural case we use are. And in past tense for singular case we use was, and for plural case we use were. Now we see the first sentence. I dash not very tall last year. Now see, it with I we can either use am or we can use was, right? Now we have to find out whether it is present tense or past tense. Now see, it is talking about last year. So last year means the year which has already passed. It is not about present tense. So we will use the verb was here and not am. Okay. I dash quite tall now. Now see, it is talking about now, means it is going on at the present time. So we will use the present verb, that is am. So you know the difference now. I was in between I am. India is a wonderful country. India is, we'll not say India was a wonderful, it is still a wonderful country, right? So, and India is only one, so we will use is. I am happy because I have a new bicycle. Have a new bicycle means still I have. So, it is talking about present tense. So, we will use am. He is absent from school today. So, it is talking about today. So, we will use is. He is means one. So, we will use is. They were all present in school yesterday. Now, it is talking about yesterday, already gone. And it is they. They means many. Okay, so we will not say was. Was we use for one. Right? So, they means many. So, we will use plural verb here. That is were. They were all present in school yesterday. We are all here today. Today means present. And we means many. So, we will not say we is. We are all here today. Next children, G1 is write the female words for the following. Female words you have to write. So, uncle is a male word. What is a female word? Aunt. A-U-N-T. Aunt. Bull is a male word. Female word is cow. C-O-W. Cow. Tiger. Tigress. T-I-G-R-E-S-S. Write the correct spelling. Daughter. Son. S-O-N. Son. Queen. King. K-I-N-G. King. Lioness. Lion. Here you have to write the male words, children. Write the male words for the following. So, daughter, son, queen, king, lioness, lion. Okay. So, I hope children you have understood everything. See, we have revised everything in this test paper. And I want you all to fill your exercise book properly. Thank you.